go. It's pretty good, I like it. I got here is the CZ Scorpion Evo 3 S1. I fired it for the first time and I laxed it. I laxed what I got. The little 9mm carbine. The CZ Scorpion Evo 3 is a 9mm carbine manufactured in Czechoslovakia, Uzurkis. Forgive my pronunciation, pain to pronounce. AKA ZZ. The selected fire variant design with the A1 being the submachine gun and the semi-automatic variant design as the S1. This current configuration has a folding brace, which is really nice to have in tight situations where you want to store your weapon. In my opinion, this weapon is a good novelty weapon to have. Something you can have stored somewhere, but I want to consider it a main battle rifle. Because it's not a bad rifle, it's a 9mm. I want to take this out with me during the boogaloo, but it sure is nice to have for them tight situations. It looks futuristic. It's a nice setup. My delicate little flower. It's very nice. And plus it gives me good practice for the HK. Same setup as the HK. I would say it's like a HK copycat, you know. HK MP5 copycat. Except it doesn't cost a kidney and an arm and half your liver like an MP5. I like it a lot. She's a very sexy little minx, and she feels like a dainty butterfly that you don't want to scratch or abuse. At times I like using and abusing my weapons, because every weapon needs to be abused at times. Whether you fall over or trip over while doing exercises with it, in any situation that requires you to beat your rifle. This model currently is set up with the folding brace and the flash can. The flash can looks really weird at first because I've never seen anything like it, and it looks cool and weird at the same time, but it looks so bad. The CZ USA website says it's used for all-purpose home defense weapon, and using a 9mm and a rifle configuration or carbine configuration as it is set up seems a bit ridiculous to me, because I want to use a 9mm as a home defense weapon in this configuration anyways. But if you add some defense rounds, she'll do the job of home defense. She's really light at 6.5 pounds, and as always, pounds equals pain, especially during the boogaloo. I likes it a lot. I finished them alright. Action. Okay. I like this rifle, or carbine. I only have one problem with it. It's a delicate flower. You can't really use it or abuse it. You gotta treat it right. It's no AR-15 or AK-47. She's a delicate little flower you gotta really cater to. And I don't see a place to mount a sling. Not too sure if they have a setup like that, but you collapse the buttstock on the side. You can put your sling there, but as soon as you open it, there's the sling. You just ruined your whole sling setup. You won't be able to close the damn thing. Pretty sure you just wrap the sling around the buttstock. You don't want to do that. It's gonna be dangling right here. Other than that, it's a sweet rifle. Sweet little carbine, I mean. I'm calling it a rifle. That's it from Will Speciously. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Speciously out. And remember, peace through fire superiority. It's very nice. It's nice. Who needs the AR-15 when you have the CZ?